welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys doing today? You know I always ask, so how's your day going? How's your Monday? Is it Monday? So today we are just going to do a simple everyday look. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. No, it's not ASMR. Let's go.
Alright, so first we're going to prime my face. And I use this LANCôME primer. You guys have to really excuse my voice because I have a cold, but I know I really needed to get this video done, so bear with me, okay? Okay. So, I do have a cold. My voice doesn't sound quite that bad, but I needed something to keep you curious, you know, to see how this rest of this video is gonna go. Yeah, so let's get into it. So, foundation. I use LANCôME foundation, 3 pumps of that. Now that my face is all prepped, primed, and ready, I'm just gonna dampen up my beauty blender. I used the MORPHE Luminous setting spray. And then, yeah, just moistened it a little bit and then dabbed it all over my face. Now I'm blending it all in. My hair is crazy. Okay, we're almost finished here with the blending portion of my face and taking care to the corners of my nose. What's next? I need my, bam, gotcha, my LOVECRAFT Beauty Contour palette. What is that? I'm using the colors Cymbeline and Suniva with my angled brush here. Just gonna blend it all in into the depths of my cheekbones. And now here I attempt to cover up my large forehead, which is clearly there, but I like to pretend it's not. I also like to bring in my jawline, which is sculpted by the ancestors who are from the land of the fairies. I just took some NyQuil, y'all, so now I'm getting a little bit cozy. And crazy. Oh, look at that. I'm magical. So it's funny because when I filmed this, I was perfectly healthy, perfectly fine. That's why the beginning of the video footage is my voice isn't all crazy. Wait, did my voice just get better right now? Oh my god, I kind of feel like I feel better. That NyQuil is the shit. By the way, that was the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. Now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan for the underneath the eye thingy. What's it called? Conceal under my eyes. Yes, I'm concealing under my eyes to create an illusion of a brighter under eye. And the shape changes every day. So now I just make a little arch above my third eye and down my nose to highlight those points. And now that I've redampened my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it all in. I make sure to go up and around my eyes as well. Right here, I just continue to blend in every area that I just concealed. Alright, so next I use this Farrah flat brush. Not for that, you'll see in a minute. I'm just coming back in with a little bit more of that Cool Tan to have a little blending foundation there set for me. I blend that down my nose and up into my eyebrow to accentuate those eyes. Oh, it's those little things that make us so happy, like dampening beauty blenders, right? So here I just got a little bit of blending happy and over blended, so I just had to fix that. Now I'm just bringing that contour from my nose into my brow bone, like right underneath it, just to create more of a shadow effect. Now I'm just coming back in with my angled brush and blending in that contour to help blend in the concealer with it so they mix together. And now I'm just putting some of that cool tan on the eyelid. See? And just blend it all in with that beauty blender. Okay, now I've lost it. What's up? Ah, setting powder. Go with that air spun that smells so good. Got a little blending brush here. What? I don't know what's up with me and those things. So let's just get a little bit of that in there. And then put that over the concealer to set it. And we are almost through here, guys. Alright, now what's next? Yes, LOVECRAFT Beauty Palette again. Coming in with Aditya. That is the darkest shade. And that's going to create my shadow there. Instead of using an eyeshadow, this is like a quick kind of natural look. So I'm just using the contour palette for that. Alright, now I'm using the lightest shade in the palette, that is the Cymbeline, and I'm just going to use that to soften the top of the darkest shade, the Aditya, that I just used. Then I'm coming in with a small flat brush, and I'm going to take the Suniva, the one I love the most, as you can see, put that on the bottom of my lid. Nice! I just manifested exactly what I needed, which was a MILANI highlighter in the color Strobelight. Now I'm using a teeny tiny angled flat brush to highlight the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, the brow bone, and the inner corners of my eyes. And then, oh yes, oh my god, I use the L'Oréal Paris Unlimited Mascara. Isn't that super cool how it bends? Love it! It goes on super, super gorgeous. I don't wear falsies, but this mascara is like all I need. With my Moda Pro BMX 255 brush, I quickly highlight my Cupid's bow. Then I grab my GIGI Gorgeous highlighter duo and blush brush, and I just rub that in there, and it gives me the perfect balance of blush and highlighter. I love it. So now I'm going to use my powder brush. Thank you, powder brush. It is the F203. It's just super cute brush. What's the name brand? The Beauty Crop. And I'm just going to go over my face with that to... Was it really that funny though? As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I use this air-spun powder to blur out any harsh lines. And now with my MORPHE finishing setting spray, I set it all in. It looks like lips are next since I'm pointing to them. I manifested my Half Cake Super Glaze lip gloss in Semi Charmed. And yeah, the lid broke off of it, but it's all good. It still works wonders. And with a bit more fairy dust, I sparkle things up a bit more to finish me off. That sound weird? As you sit here viewing me, jumping partly in and out of the shot, as I attempt to show you my finished look, I'd like you to ask yourself, what brings you joy? And comment that down below.
Alright you guys, we have reached the end of my makeup routine for a simple everyday look. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I also wanted to apologize for all the lighting. If the lighting is terrible, please be patient with me. I'm working on it. I don't really have an actual setup. I'm just here in my office, so I do have some sunlight coming in and helping me out today. Thank you, sun. And also if you want to see me do any ASMR, because I absolutely love ASMR. Ipsy bag is coming, so stick around so you'll get to see me unbox to see what I got in March. I'm excited about it, and I'll try out some more things for you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you to all the people who have subscribed to my channel already. I'm truly thankful for your support, and thank you for subscribing and watching and liking. I appreciate it. And thank you for watching. Stay meditated. I will see you soon. Bye.